So today's episode is called Scrub-a-Dub-Dub, I Am Not Getting in the Tub. Let me tell you, when you break a bone, the last thing that you are thinking about is bathing yourself. But then it gets to a point where you feel disgusting and probably don't smell so nice. And even the crashing waves don't help. These are called scrubs, and these will allow you not to wash your hair, but as far as your body, you know, you want to smell a little bit better. And when I tried those makeup wipes or body wipes, they really didn't work. And what's great about them is they're low maintenance, reusable to a certain degree, and they smell divine. You will smell like you are at Aruba, for instance. So they come like this, and you get how many in a pack? Oh, I don't even know, like 25 in a pack. And they come like this. So these are great for travel. These are great for if you're going to the beach and you're heading to dinner with a friend right away. You know, you may not want to smell like the ocean. So all you got to do is add some water to these. What will happen is they will instantly lather up. Look at that. Instantly. I don't know if you can see that. Oh my gosh, these smell incredible. They leave this beautiful, beautiful scent. I would say like a fresh scent, and it just instantly lathers up. And then, you know, you can rinse it off. I'm just going to use a towel for the sake of time. And when you feel your skin afterward, not only do you feel clean, but your skin feels incredibly soft, as if you put body butter on afterward. Whether you are traveling, whether you break a bone or you're laid up for some reason and you just can't bear the thought of actually taking a shower, get the Scrubs rinse-free bath sponges. Fabulous.